Okay, so hey YouTube, good grief, why am I so close? Okay, hey YouTube, I'm back with another video, but this is a Beauty Forever unboxing video. So the Beauty Forever hair, it comes in a box like this. I don't know if y'all can see it. There you go. Which I think is really cute. I like it when like, presentation means a lot to me, okay? It just does. So let's go ahead and open up the package, and it comes like this. It has 2 lashes. Dang, I know those are even 2 lashes. Usually companies only give 1 set of lashes, so that's interesting. And then here goes my bundles. And let's see, I also got a lace frontal as well. So on here it says that it doesn't really say much. It just says the order ID, the length of my bundles. So I got a not a closure, I got a frontal that's 14 inches. I got a 14-inch bundle, a 16-inch bundle, and an 18-inch bundle because I want my hair to be short. Low-key, I should have never got an 18-inch. I should have just got a 16 because I feel like 18 is kind of too long. But I didn't know. So let's go ahead and open up the frontal because I'm curious to see how it is. So it comes like a little net like this. I smell it. It's attached to something. Okay. So this is what the hair looks like. Dang. Bruh. Okay, so this is what the lace frontal looks like. Let me open it up. Of course it comes folded. Uh-oh, y'all. I need to get something to cut this. Oh Lord. Hold on, y'all. Let me go cut it because they have it like this and I already just put like a mini hole in it, which really doesn't matter because it's not close to the hairline. But let me go cut this really quick. Okay, so I'm back. I just cut that little piece or whatever. Like they had to like connect it to the other side. I don't know. I kind of don't like that. So it looks like this. I believe it's a 13x4 lace closure, so that's good. The hair has a slight smell, but I really can't. It isn't like a fishy smell or anything like that, so that's good. It does have a smell. It isn't a terrible smell. I just really can't like specify exactly what it is. But yeah, it's also Brazilian body wave. I meant to mention that. This is what the frontal looks like. It's actually very soft. And the reason I got body wave instead of straight hair is because I've seen a lot of reviews. People were saying that Beauty Forever hair doesn't hold curls well. And really, a lot of straight hair doesn't hold curls well. Even this hair that I have in my head is body wave. So this is just a tip. When we actually plan on curling your hair a lot, get body wave because I feel like it just holds curls better than a straight would. The straight is meant to be straight in, like, obviously. So yeah. So I got this frontal, which is so pretty. Put that on the side. And let's see. I'm gonna open one bundle for y'all. I don't even know what bundle this is. What the hell? Oh. This is a 14-inch bundle. And they come in like little like packets. Well, not little packets. What do you call this? I don't know. Bags like this. Take off the rubber band, y'all. So I'm really excited because I hear a lot of people talk about this hair, and I know somebody who actually bought this hair. My friend gets this hair. She also gets their wigs. So I was just curious to see, like, you know, how their hair is. Y'all, this is so soft. Like, I'm shook. So this is the 14-inch bundle. Ooh. Y'all, it's so soft. The smell actually is kind of acquired. But it smells kind of good though. It isn't bad, but it isn't like the perfect smell either, but it's not bad. I'd rather not have fishy smelling hair. That's the worst ever. This hair came fishy smelling, okay? But this hair is really soft and it feels really silky. So I'm really curious to see if it's going to hold a curl just because it's so soft. But overall the hair does seem pretty nice. I don't think the closure is pre-plucked. Now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't seem like it's pre-plucked at all. I mean frontal. Why people saying closure? Y'all, this is my first time really like doing a lace frontal, so that's why I keep on saying that. kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah. And one thing I was noticing when I was watching Aaliyah's face videos is that she was talking about how their lace is good for, I think lighter people. I don't know. Or their wigs. No, she said their wigs are really meant for like, they have like a darker tint to the lace. So maybe one day I'll go try a wig, since you know I am black, brown skin. So yeah, I'm really excited. So far the hair came in. I ordered the hair last Wednesday night. No, last Thursday. Either last Wednesday or last Thursday, and it just came today. So that's good. It's literally when it says 3 to 5 shipping days, it means 3 to 5 shipping days. Overall, for this 14-inch frontal, this 14-inch bundle, 16-inch bundle, 18-inch bundle, I believe I ended up paying like $150, which is really good. So that makes me happy, especially if it's going to be good quality hair, because I'm tired of spending so much money on hair, y'all. Like, I'm literally in grad school. I don't have time to spend all the money on hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go make this wig, and I will update y'all about what this hair looks like and everything. I might put some highlights in it. I'm not really sure. We'll just see. So yeah, overall I really like the hair, and it smells great. So make sure to subscribe and comment on this video. Let me know if y'all ever had Beauty Forever hair. Did y'all like it? Did y'all not like it? Pros, cons, and all of that. Anyways, I will see y'all later.